Got the LeBron 17 win-win. The LeBron 17 Oreo colorway. Size 6. All React. Got Zoom Air inside. $36, dude. 36 bucks for some Jordans. Yeah, go for 160, guys. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks, and we're back for another Nike outlet video. We are at the Citadel. This is the most packed outlet in Los Angeles. So yeah, let's go see what's up. Let's go see what's up. Bosco is with me, and he's kind of walking around doing his thing, and he's not gonna believe it. Not gonna believe it. Motherfucking lie, can you believe it?
Line at yeah, we was just walking by and seen a line.
There was no line, and yeah, man, that's just the way it works, guys. Let's go see what's up. Let's go see what's up. All right, we are in. It only took like 20 seconds to get in. Literally, the line moved since we got there. Damn, Bosco's in a hurry. I don't want to buy some deals. But yeah, I did come here yesterday. It is Saturday. No, today is Sunday night. I think they closed in like an hour and a half. So let's go see what's up, you guys. Go see if we can find something different. I don't know if we saw these. This is size 9. We're in the size 10 area, but shoes are just everywhere here because it's so crazy. But yeah, I got the LeBron 17 win-win colorway for two and a quarter, man. 2 and a quarter. Everything in the clearance section is 20% off. So yeah, I don't know, $45 off of that. Air Max Accelerant 4s. Have you ever heard of these? I don't think I've ever seen these. The bottom looks kind of cool though. Looks like the air unit's just in the back right here, but kind of interesting. Go for 90 bucks. Not 90 bucks. Interesting though. Little pricey. 90 bucks. At least you get that 20% off. Dang, like 8. These are 8.5s in the size 10 area. Yeah, crazy. We've been seeing these everywhere. Dang. Still got the Air Max 97 Clots. Going for $110. Pretty much got these everywhere. What is this? Like sneakers I had never seen before. Air Zoom Super Wrap? What the hell is this? Just interesting seeing that big old Air Zoom pocket right there. What the hell? Oh. And then it says, oh, okay, I was gonna say Air Zoom. It says Nike Air, then Air Zoom. Okay, but what is that at the top? That's crazy, dude. That is crazy. And then, yeah, try to save weight. Nothing in the middle. There's that big old Air Zoom pocket right there. Yeah. I've never seen those before. Air Zoom Super Wrap. $120. $120, get that 20% off. Mamba Rage, 9.5. Go for 70 bucks. Get that 20% off. In the size 10, 11 areas. Got the LeBron 7. Got the red carpets. Hey. I forgot what these are called. The Air Force One. These are like the really funky pair, dude. Oh, the RTs. Crazy color. Man, a little too bright for me, man. Go for 70 bucks. Normally $220. 70, you get 20% off too. That's crazy. The sizing here is just, it's everywhere, you guys. But yeah, I got we're in the size 9 or size 7, 8, 9. I don't know. They're just kind of everywhere. But yeah, I got two. That's a LeBron 17 Oreo colorway. These bad boys are going for $200. Get that 20% off though. Not shabby. We saw these in the last video here. But yeah, Miller 13s. Seen them at every outlet. Here they got a bunch of size 9s. Go for $159. Get 20% off. Size 10, got some Metcons for you weightlifters. 80 bucks, man, that's a solid deal. 80 bucks, get 20% off. On top of that, $250 for the John Elliott, 9.5. Got the Air Max. Focus? Oh, there you go. Got the Air Max Plus. The Tuned Airs. Go for 100 bucks. Get that 20 off. Size 6. Like I said, the sizes are just everywhere, you guys. Got the Light Mints. Size 6. These are no longer on sale at Finish Line. We just went to Finish Line, no longer on sale there. But yeah, so you get it here. Get it for $1.30 retail, minus 20% off. Not too shabby. Kind of the smaller size area, size 8. And these look extra small. What the heck? Yeah, got the red carpets. Going for retail. Get that 20 off, I guess. More size 8. The LeBron, John Elliott's. Going for retail, still same price. PGs. Oh, what the hell is it? $100. Go for 100. Those normally only are 110 though, right? Yeah, that's interesting. We're in the size 11s now. We got the waffle racers. These, what the heck? These look like some clown shoes, or like, sure they're comfortable, but like with nobody in them, they look terrible with nobody in them. Holy crap. Look at how flat the front looks. That looks weird. Looks like duck feet. Like how flat. Yeah, go for 85, man. That's crazy. Crazy. Air Force Max Low, look. That's some B grades. I have no clue what the price is. Obviously, it's not going for retail. Oh, 20% off, whatever the price is. Bro, these are pretty decent. Look. Going for 85. 85, and you get 20% off. These are the Sharks. These are the Vince Carters, man. Those are dope. Yeah, 85. Not bad. 11 and a half, man. If you guys wear 11 and a half, so y'all need to pick these up. Pick these up, man. $55 for these Vomeros. Vomero 14s, man. These are hella comfortable. All React. Got Zoom Air inside. Hella comfortable. $55, and you get 20% off. So that's $11 off. So $44, man. That's what's up. All right, I got someone checking in the back to see if they got a 9.5. This is retarded, dude. $44. I gotta get one for my pops. Those are just too comfy. Oh, I'm good with that. Is it the same price though?
No, they're gonna be different price regardless, because that one's extreme size.
That one? They don't extreme size it. That was only 11 and a half.
Yeah.
Extreme sizes start at 11 and a half?
It started at 10.
Oh, really?
I
I didn't know extreme sizes start that early. What the hell?
We started really low.
Holy crap, I've never seen that.
Orange type. Yeah, so these are 79 and then 20%.
I'm good. Do you want me to put them on the back? You want me to put them on the back? Oh, thanks, bro. Thanks for checking, though. Dang it. All right, they didn't have the one that I wanted. All right, let's throw these back. Jordan 1 React, you guys, size 12. Not bad. I haven't seen too many of the purple ones. You know, these are hella comfortable. They got that fat lacing, though. Not everybody loves that fat lacing. Yeah, hella comfortable, man. Kind of a old school meets new school. Like, the whole thing's a new school, though, so. $170. $170, get 20% off at least. I guess we're still in the size 12s, man. Look at this. This is the cheapest we've ever seen these. These Jordans are going for $45. $45, you take 20% off of that. That's 30 something, I don't know. $36, dude. $36 for some Jordans. $36 for Jordan Racers, you guys. That is crazy. That's crazy. There's my thumbnail. $36. Crazy. 12 and a half. Not bad. $52 for the GPs. Get 20% off on top of that. Got plenty of sizes too. And KD, Zoom 12s. Go for retail? That's crazy. Not really much for you size 13s, you guys. Of course, they're also everywhere too. Like, we got anywhere from like size 11 to size 12s, but I don't see much for you size 13. Sorry, you guys. One of the workers saw us looking for heat. Size 12. This is one of the biggest ones. Biggest ones I've seen, you guys. Size 12. Go for, yeah, retail minus 20%. So 200 minus 20%. That comes out to what? 160? 160. That's what they're going for. Pretty good discount. Pretty good discount. Off by one, man. Because he wears a size 13, so he was thinking about him. Off by one. Yeah, let's put him back. Yeah, it's steep. These are steep. Yeah, go for 160, guys. Size 12. This is the biggest one I've seen. I've seen all the way up to 10. I picked up the 10. I've seen the 8.5, 9, 9.5. I've seen all the sizes. Just first time I've seen anything above a 10. But yeah, Dang it, they didn't give us the full box. I like it when they put the box top on the bottom. But yeah, gonna have to let it go, you guys. Have to let it go. Oh, so sad. I know a lot of you guys are like, damn, get those for me. Get those for me. Sorry, you guys. I don't have time to take orders, sorry. That's 13. Do you got some of the size 13? I did look around a little bit more. Do you got some of the chlorophyll 3s? These look pretty clean, man. These look pretty clean. You know what? If I find one of these for a decent price, I'm gonna have to cop one, dude. The more and more I see them, the more and more I like them. But I haven't seen the size 10, 10 and a half in a long time though. I'm in like the huge sizes. But look, it's like a Jordan 3 box and it's some sort of trainer shoes. What the hell? This is a Calvin Johnson? Calvin Johnson from way back when? Holy crap. This is a Calvin Johnson sneaker from way back when? CB81, dude. I think that is. Why is it a Jordan box, man? Really? These are Jordans, are they? They're not. They're under Nike, aren't they? Yeah, they're under Nike. What the hell? It's messed up, you guys. Messed up. I saw the aisles a couple days ago. I doubt much has changed with the aisles, so we're just gonna kind of move on upstairs, check what's up with the clearance section. I don't think I checked the aisles that much yesterday, so yeah, let's look at the clearance section. Look at the line right there too. Look at the line. It's already started. Look at that line. Holy crap! Like it's just the most packed outlet in LA. That's not even an overstatement. It is what it is. Got a pair of Cortez. What size are these? Size 8? Size 8 women's. That's only what 6.5 for men's. Okay, pretty dope. I kind of like the pink in the back. It's kind of a nylon one though. It's not synthetic nylon. Yeah, but $50, man. $50. That's hella cheap. And you get 20% off. Metcons, man. Those are you ladies that like to work out. Size 8, 65, and you get 20% off. Not bad. 270 Reacts, size 8. Kind of cool colorway. Not too shabby. 7.5, go for 90. Smaller sizes, they really don't come much, but we're gonna go down, see what they got. So kind of like a bluish colorway, go for 90, get that 20 off. And those of you guys those of you ladies or guys with ladies on an extreme budget, $30, man, $30. And you get 20% off. Yeah, so $26. No, yeah, $24. My bad, $24, holy crap. Got some React Flyknits, interesting colorway. Going for 70, get that 20 off. Pegasus Premiums, going for 70. 70, get that 20% off. Air Max 98s. These are the interesting ones with like, there's like confetti in there or something. Like if I shake it, like confetti inside. It's like interesting. Nylon upper. Oh, interesting. These are pretty decent. I'm not mad at these at all. They do move. Do seem pretty heavy though. But yeah, the Air Max 98s have never been like them, so not the end of the world. Go for 120. 120, get 20% off. Size 6. Got these Cortez. It reminds me of like, I don't know, the country life or something. I don't know. Reminds me of like Wizard of Oz, like the girl of Wizard of Oz. What the hell is her name, man? I'm tripping, dude. Whatever. Yeah, it reminds me of something like that. But $55, man. And you get 20% off. Oh, I guess they are cheaper. Going for 85. 85, you get 20% off. That's better. That's better. Did we see these already? Pegasus 35s. Premiums. These are the premium with the different upper. $70. Get 20% off. I've never seen these Cortez before. What the hell is this? This is like the blingiest Cortez I've ever seen. What the hell? Look at that. Look at that. What the hell? That's kind of cool. Kind of dorky, but kind of cool. I don't know. And like the front looks a little different from the typical Cortez. That's weird. But yeah, it's Cortez. $110. Add this one. Air Force Ones. These are interesting. Copper one. These go for like $150 or something. Kind of expensive. So yeah, if you want them, you get that 20% off. Got the Jordan 8, the winterized ones. Not really winterized, but they look winter, but yeah. 65, man, that's kind of pricey. Get that 20 off, that's still pricey. Damn, look at that, that's 90 bucks? That's crazy for the Epic React. Like, that just seems really high, that's crazy. Got 5 wires, the fly traps, about 55, with 20% off on top of that, so it's like $44. Air Max 2017 is kind of colorway I like for the girls, but yeah, there's no way they're going for that price. But yeah, 20% off whatever the price is. Have you ever seen these? Jordan 11s? I think it's the Jordan 11 for toddlers? What the hell? Jordan 11 Retro Little Flex, the preschools. That's interesting. 50 bucks. Damn. That's crazy. I'm a huge fan of these. Air Max 95s. Got the little prints, little pictures, little emojis. Those little kid stuff, space related stuff. The colorway, 60 bucks. Normally 100. Get that 20% off too. Almost got tricked by the renews, man. They look like the Epic Reacts. Don't get these, please. They're garbage. Don't get them. Ever. Ever. Cortez. Kind of cool Cortez. But yeah, going for 45, get 30, get 20% off. Dang, I was like, I thought these were the women's size, man. They're still trying to get retail for these, man. What is up with that? Why are you trying to get retail? The patent 7s? Alright. That's one hell of a price on the Air Max 95s. Not bad. 20% off. Looks like all the Air Max 95s are on sale for the kids. Not the greatest colorway, I prefer that last one. Another colorway, solid price still. The Air Force Ones, not bad, plenty of sizes, go for 40 bucks. Air Max 1 Plus, not bad for girls, not terrible. Hirachis, no extra discounts. No extra discounts, still not terrible. Not terrible, but 45, a little steep. Am I way cheap when I say, hey, I don't want to pay $80 for my kids' sneakers? I don't know. That's kind of, I don't know. It seems a little steep. Yeah, 80 bucks, slight discount. 85 for these Air Max 270 Reacts. 85 for this colorway as well. 7 for these Phantom React Flyknits. The Phantom is just the no laces and it's all knit on top. But yeah, I guess that's not terrible. That's not terrible. Over, what, 70 bucks, 60 bucks off? Not too bad. And that's pretty much about it, you guys. Pretty much about it. There's Bosco right there. I didn't really talk to him too much in this video. Go ahead, check out his channel. I'll put it right next to you. Go check out his channel. But yeah, let's wrap it up, you guys. Let's wrap it up. No line this time. All right, that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. You are the most appreciated if you were able to make it to the end. Yeah, thank you so much, you guys. And yeah, that was an interesting experience. I don't know, like that place. Every outlet seems to have had a lot of heat lately in the clearance section. Like, I don't know, it's weird. They've had a lot of returns. I don't know. I guess people returning all their Christmas stuff, like, you know, fools are broke, and I'm sure I did that too. I don't know, but yeah. Thanks for making it to the end of the video, guys. Definitely appreciate you guys making it to the end. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, what you guys thought of this video. Let me know what you guys thought was fire. Let me know if something sucked. Let me know, it is what it is. But yeah, don't forget to press that like button, you guys. For those of you guys that are new, make sure you guys go ahead and press that subscribe button. Make sure you guys click that notification bell because I do come out the video every day. Pretty much come out with one every day at 8 in the morning. Thanks so much for joining, you guys. See you guys next one. Peace. Peace. It's interesting. Oh, that was interesting.